Good morning. My name is Ray. I'm with Team S.T.E.A.M. This morning I'm here at Flash Industrial Painting and I'm working on figuring out and laying out my Art Deco design on all these components that I painted yesterday. Got black on everything I wanted to. I'm gonna figure out my design, get it all laid out today, and apply the second color. All right, I got all my masking done. You can't tell at all where my masking is because I went ahead and sprayed the gold. But then I'll mask up the gold that I need to have masked up tomorrow, and then I'll spray the blue. And this guy is going to be copper. But I've got all the masking done on it. I've got all the spraying done that I needed to do on that, and the doors. I put a logo on this door. And then tomorrow I'll do the final color. I got my gold on it yesterday. I did my other masking on it yesterday. These are going to be where the burners go. Here's the logo and the striping, and I did the little corners there. Then I put gold on it, so I did a logo there. Put gold on it, so today I can have my options open as to how I want that gold to be laid out. All right, I've got all the masking done. I've got all the pinholes filled. It's all been sanded. It's all ready to go. Now, I'm going to cut the top off of it. There was the original box, hidden away. Now I'm gonna locate a hinge or two and figure out how I'm gonna mount them once I get that box cleaned out of there. I've got the inside of this spray painted, just with a satin black color. And I've got a hinge located for it that's gonna work well. And I've got the holes for it right down here. And it'll attach to the outside of the box over there once I'm done. Well, we got this lid cut off here. As you can see, we have a fiberglass box inside. Now I'm going to build some dividers, 2 of them, and mount them in there. And then once that's dry, I'm going to spray paint the inside of this with a satin black color. Now I've got these little dividers cut, and I've got clear packing tape on them, so they can go down in here, and I can tape them in place, and then I can put fiberglass on one side of them, and then I can pull that loose and I'll have my dividers. Okay, we've got everything primed, about ready to do the final color. First, I need to take my dividers out of here. The wood was never meant to stay. One of them. There's the other. See how cleanly they came away? Now I just need to shape them. All right, the dividers are done. They're in place. They've been cut down to size. Now it's time to put some spray paint in there. All right, that's done. Now I'm going to mask the top of this off quick so I can paint everything else without filling this with overspray. Yeah, it's masked up. Now I'm ready for final coat. Complete with tea kettle that I have yet to unmask. I have one of them already bent, and I'm going to wrap the other one around it in a coil so it's like a little stove. Okay, so I've made these little bitty handles out of this heavier gauge wire, and all these little guys to go on them. Now I'm going to weld it all together, so each one's a welded up little handle. Here's how this turned out. It's a decent look, but the black does not play well with that dark blue. I'm not happy with the way the dark blue and the black work together. You can't see enough of what I wanted you to see. All right, so as you can see, I wasn't very happy with how the black and the dark blue played together. And then the gold that was on there was spray paint, which is fine, but it didn't want to adhere to my paint in as many spots. So it started to try and peel up in a few spots. I didn't like any of that. So I went ahead and sanded everything down, and we're going with a completely different scheme and completely different colors.